Today we will be servicing a Rinnai Duo H Series Hybrid water heater. The items that you will need are 5-gallon bucket, a recirculation pump, washing machine hoses, 2 gallons of distilled white vinegar, a Phillips head screwdriver or an impact with a Phillips bit, and a garden hose to reach a drain. First thing that we need to do is locate the 4 Phillips head screws located on the bottom cover. There are 2 screws on each side. One here, and 2 on the exact opposite side. With the 4 screws removed, we can now remove the cover. Push the on-off button located on the right-hand side of the controller. The display will go blank when the power is off. Remove the 2 screws securing the front panel and release the 2 latches. Remove the front panel and locate the filter in the upper right-hand corner of the water heater. Remove the air filter by pulling on the tab. If there's any kind of organic buildup, you can clean the filter with mild dish soap and a soft bristle brush, and then dry with a lint-free towel. Reinstall the air filter. With the power off, locate your gas cock and turn off the gas. With the power and gas both off, turn off the ball valves for both the hot and cold. With the bucket placed underneath, locate the service nozzle and the service ball valve. Remove the cap from the service nozzle and slowly open the service ball valve. After that has been done, do the same for the cold. Now connect your washing machine hoses to the hot and cold service ports. Locate the water inlet filter, remove and clear of debris. Place the hot washing machine hose in a bucket to catch any water that is released when opening up the filter. When removing the filter fully, place a 5-gallon bucket under the right-hand side to catch any water that will be coming out of the hole where the filter is located. Inspect the filter for any debris on the outside and also on the inside. To remove any debris or buildup in the filter, run it underneath a faucet or take it out to a garden hose. You may use a soft bristled brush to clean out any stuck-on debris. Replace the filter. We are now ready to connect our recirculation pump. Please make sure your 5-gallon bucket is clear of debris. With our cold line connected to the pump and our hot line loosely in the bottom of the 5-gallon bucket, we are now ready to add our white vinegar. Locate the push buttons A and B on the PC board. Press the B button for 1 second and release when the display shows the DES display. Push the A button, DES starts blinking. Operate the pump and allow the vinegar to circulate through the water heater for at least 1 hour. The display shows 60, which indicates the remaining flush time in minutes. The number decreases by 1 every minute. Alright, after flushing for an hour, you'll see an acronym RNS for rinse, display. So you'll turn off your pump and turn off all of the valves and disconnect your hoses. You'll return the cap to the cold service port, and now you'll hook up your garden hose to the hot service port. When you connect your hose, you'll run it to a drain or outside. With the hose hooked up to the hot service port, you'll open the hot service port valve back up. After the hot service valve is open, you'll now open up the cold water supply. With the cold water supply open, you will rinse the heat exchanger for 5 minutes. After rinsing for 5 minutes, you'll turn off all the valves again, and you will remove your hose on the hot service port and replace the cap. With all the valves closed and the cap replaced on the hot service port, you may now press the power button. Turn the gas back onto the unit. After the gas has been turned on, turn on the cold supply valve and also the hot outlet valve. Reinstall the bottom cover, placing the 2 screws on the right and left sides. With the screws reinstalled on the cover, you may now turn the unit back on by pressing the power button twice. And we are done. Thank you for watching.